Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your family onto the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and have your family members use your accounts, such as your payment methods and address. How do you actually go ahead and invite your family members? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down, then click on Family, then click on Continue, then click on Invite Family Member. So here is where you can select your family member based on age, so click on Continue. Afterwards, you would just choose a contact, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite your family member to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.